Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication, sometimes also referred to as multi-factor authentication, on your AWS login. So what this allows you to do is provide a second layer of security when you're logging into your account. So if someone acquires your password, that wouldn't be enough to get into your account and jeopardize your services. So kind of as a prerequisite for this step, I'm going to be doing this using the Google Authenticator two-factor authorization app. And it's available on both iOS and Android. So I have them both open here on the Google Play Store and on the Apple Store. So you can see kind of what it looks like. It's made by Google. Make sure you're downloading the right one. And this is what it will look like once you get everything set up. It's just basically a screen that has rotating numbers, and they rotate every 30 seconds or so. And when you get prompted to log in, you have to enter the number, and that is your second layer of authentication. So that's what we're going to be using. So let's go back to the console now. So we're going to go to IAM, and we're going to click on users on the left here. And I have two users that I created previously. I'm going to click on Kevin here. We're going to be using him. And we see here that Kevin has administrator access, so he has a whole bunch of permissions associated with his account. So obviously we really want to lock down Kevin's account so that no one could potentially just acquire his password and get in and wreak havoc. So if you're an administrator and you're trying to get your users to set up two-factor authentication, there's some special IAM permissions that you need. A couple of them are enable MFA device and delete MFA device. It gives your users the ability to add an MFA access layer. So make sure you give them the right permissions. I'll give you a link down below to the documentation that has the permissions associated with it that you need to associate with the user. So now getting into it, how do we actually enable this? So we go to the tab that says security credentials, and here we see some sign-in details for this user. In this section here, assigned MFA device, we see that we have nothing assigned yet. So that's something that we want to change here. I'm going to go ahead and click on manage now. And this is the prompt to ask us what type of two-factor authentication are we going to use. So there's a couple different options, these little token-based things that you can buy that are specifically designed for two-factor authentication. There's also other ones called Gemalto tokens or YubiKeys or any other compliant device. We're going to be using our phones for this, which isn't a great solution, but it's still better than nothing really. So we're going to use that, and we're going to click on continue now. So at this step, after you've installed your Google Authenticator app, there's going to be an option in the bottom right of that app that says scan QR code. So that's what I'm going to do to set this up. So I'm going to say show QR code, and now I have my phone, and I'm just going to scan this screen. And on my device, now I just see these rotating numbers that are constantly being added. So it's going to ask us to type two consecutive MFA codes below. So my first one, 483371. And it's about to rotate in about 5 seconds now, so I'm just going to wait until that comes through, and then I'll type in the second one here in a moment. Almost done. And now it's 398277. That looks good. Click on assign MFA. All right, and that worked successfully. So now we have a two-factor authentication set up on this account. So let's actually check this out in action, and do that by going to this link and trying to log in again. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to actually, let's sign out first. That's probably a better idea. Clicking on sign out. All right, cool. Now let's go and paste in my URL. And there's my login ID, or my account ID rather. I'm going to put in Kevin and my password. And we can see now that we're prompted with a MFA code, and now I'm just looking at my app now. I'm going to put in my code 169273 and submit, and we are in. So we can do whatever we want now on this account. So that's how you can set up 2FA or multi-factor authentication on your account using the Google Authenticator app on Android and iOS. And if you like this video, or you're wondering more about how IAM works, I'm going to put a suggestion on the right here. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.